Have you ever wondered what gives a police officer the authority to stop you, search your property, or make an arrest? It all comes down to a crucial legal concept that guides their actions, ensuring fairness and protecting your rights. A police officer's belief is considered reasonable when it is supported by specific facts and circumstances that would lead a prudent person to believe a crime has been, is being, or is about to be committed. This standard is fundamental to interactions with law enforcement and forms the basis for legal stops, searches, and arrests. The legal system requires this standard to prevent arbitrary actions by law enforcement and to protect citizens from unwarranted intrusions. It is not about an officer having absolute certainty, but rather a strong, objective likelihood. Several factors contribute to what makes a belief reasonable, including the officer's training and experience, their direct observations, such as sights, sounds, or smells, and credible information received from others. The time of day, location, and a person's behavior can also play a role in shaping this professional assessment. Understanding this standard is very empowering. For instance, if an officer has reasonable suspicion, they can briefly stop and question you. This is a lower standard than probable cause. However, to make an arrest or conduct most searches, the officer generally needs the higher standard of probable cause. Your actions and words during an encounter can influence an officer's perception of what is reasonable, so staying calm and knowing your rights is incredibly helpful. Courts examine the total circumstances of an encounter when assessing whether an officer's belief was reasonable. This is called the totality of the circumstances. It means they look at everything the officer knew at the moment of their action, not just one piece of information. Importantly, this is an objective standard. It is not based on the officer's personal feelings or hunches, but on what an objective, rational person would conclude given the same facts. By grasping the difference between reasonable suspicion and probable cause, and understanding how these standards are applied, you are better equipped to navigate interactions with law enforcement. This knowledge helps you understand the boundaries of police authority and empowers you to respond appropriately while upholding your constitutional protections.